Samsung is about to present the Galaxy Book 4 Ultra, but all its information has already been leaked. Apparently, it will be a computer that will have a lot of artificial intelligence, and for that reason, Samsung also wants to call it an artificial intelligence laptop and be the first laptop in this category that they themselves would create. For this reason, Samsung plans to bring this launch earlier than expected so that no one else steals their idea. This laptop has the Intel Core Ultra 7 processor 155H, a processor with up to 16 cores that runs at 3.8 GHz and with a boost can reach up to 4.8 GHz. It comes with up to 32 GB of RAM and 1 TB of solid-state storage. It includes NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4050 graphics with 6 GB of RAM for video. But there is also another one with Intel Core Ultra 985H and NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 with 8 GB of RAM for video. In addition, it is said that this computer is going to have an AMOLED display with a very high resolution, so Samsung looks like it's going to put all the best it has into this computer. Windows Report has leaked several images of this computer, which confirms us that there will also be other variants like Galaxy Book 4 Pro and Galaxy Book 4 360, which will be compatible with an S Pen. The price has not yet been leaked, but it will surely be a fairly expensive laptop.